Let's also talk about some other movers here. We've got BJ's Wholesale Club. That stock popping after reporting a beat on the top and bottom line. It said it achieved a record 90% tenured member renewal rate in the fourth quarter. The shares are moving higher. Like, many of the companies that cater to consumers who are trying to save money, this is a company that seems to be benefiting from that. If you look at the comp sales, excluding gasoline, up 8.7%, much better than what analysts had been estimating here. Our inventories also climbing less than had been anticipated, and membership fee income up 8%. So overall, performing pretty well. Yeah, that membership income up 8%, that's significant because membership fees tend to be going straight to the bottom line. I mean, this is something that's also positive for Costco as well. But just taking a look at some of the comments that were said by the Chief Financial Officer, Laura Ferre, saying that looking ahead to fiscal 2023, that they have the understanding that there are still significant uncertainty in the macroeconomic backdrop as well as its influence on the U.S. consumer. So certainly keeping in mind the consumer, which has gravitated and did gravitate during the pandemic as well to big box retailers getting more in bulk, making less trips to the store. And now it's about inflation and about getting more value when you go shop, and buying in bulk is better. Well, and we heard from Costco that they suffered a little bit from people not buying as many discretionary items at the stores. I frankly don't know the product mix at BJ's, if it offers as many as those like giant teddy bears and sort of, cool items like Costco does. But it does not seem to be necessarily suffering from that. If you look at even their forecast for the full year, for the fiscal year, they're looking at comps ex gasoline to be up 4 to 5%. Membership fee income, to your point, an area that goes straight to the bottom line, up 5 to 6% year over year. And merchandise gross margins to rise about 40 basis points. At the same time, BJ says earnings per share are going to remain about flat year over year. One more thing quickly I just want to mention, since I just did mention Costco and we talk a lot about Costco, just to put these two companies in perspective that compete against each other. BJ's has about 237 clubs. I believe that they are all in the United States. Compare that with Costco, 848 locations, 584 of them in the U.S. So Costco, a much bigger operation, obviously. But BJ's, it looks like, doing well in this environment.